This video will discuss some key safety issues related to fun summer activities so everyone can have a safe and enjoyable summer. The Nebraska State Fire Marshal is committed to helping ensure public safety. Check out our other videos on our channel. Another fun summertime activity is outdoor grilling. When the warmer weather hits, there's nothing better than the smell of food on the grill. 7 out of every 10 adults in the U.S. have a grill or smoker, which translates to a lot of tasty meals. But it also means there's an increased risk of home fires and injuries. Between 2014 and 2018, U.S. fire departments responded to an estimated average of 10,600 home, structure, and outdoor fires involving grills each year. These fires caused an average every year of 10 civilian deaths, 160 civilian injuries, and $149 million in direct property damage. Stats from the National Fire Protection Association for that same period of 2014 to 2018 show that an average of 19,700 patients went to the ER per year because of injuries involving grills. Roughly half of these injuries, or 9,500, were thermal burns. More than half of the thermal burns were non-fire burns, typically caused by contact with a grill or its contents. Children under 5 years of age accounted for 2/5 of the grill contact burns. July is the peak month for grill fires. Here are some important safety measures for grilling. Propane and charcoal barbecue grills should only be used outdoors. The grill should be placed well away from the home, deck railings, and out from under eaves and overhanging branches. Keep children and pets at least 3 feet away from the grill area. Never leave your grill unattended. Keep your grill clean by removing grease or fat buildup from the grill and in trays below the grill. Always make sure your gas grill lid is open before lighting it. Gas grills were involved in an average of 8,900 home fires per year. One of the primary problems with gas grills is leaks. If you smell gas while cooking, immediately get away from the grill and call the fire department. Do not move the grill. If the flame goes out, turn the grill and the gas off and wait at least 5 minutes before relighting it. Check the gas tank hose for leaks before using it for the first time each year. Apply a light soap and water solution to the hose. A propane leak will release bubbles. If your grill has a gas leak by smell or the soapy bubble test, and there is no flame, turn off both the gas tank and the grill. If the leak stops, get the grill serviced by a professional before using it again. If the leak does not stop, call the fire department. Consider the following as you head out to the nearest campground, park, or lake. Certain areas have restrictions regarding campfires and grills. Check if your area has any fire restrictions in place by using the link provided in the video description. Choose only those areas where fires are permitted. Also, remember to check the fire danger rating in your area to determine if weather or other factors make it dangerous to light a fire. A link for the fire danger rating is also included in the video description. These tips should help you have a safe summer participating in fun family activities. If you have any questions or would like more information, please visit the Nebraska State Fire Marshal website or contact the Fire Marshal at 402-471-2027. Be safe and have fun this summer.